And now for something completely different.
Oh, yeah. Girl, gotta work for me. Can you make it clap? No hands for me.